I'm going to be doing a full ship tour of the Norwegian Bliss. I'm going to start at the top and work my way down. Very windy up here. This is the laser tag area. Do you have to pay for this? This is what the laser tag looks like. Pretty cool. I think it's $9.99 a person. Looks like they do have lockers here. There's the check-in area. Deck 19 in the front. Got some nicer chairs up here with padding. Hot tub. Down here you have all these chairs, shower. Over by that white door there, that's the Haven area for if you're in the Haven. Over here is the entrance to the Vibe Beach Club. You need to pay for that separately. Then there's a bar up here. Go around the other side. See the pool deck from here. And the other side is just a walkway and emergency exit to the Vibe area. You have mini golf. It's not a full course. It's a couple of holes. Not really that great. Looks like maybe there's 4 holes. Speedway check-in this way. So it's multi-level. Up here you can have viewing of the Speedway. Deck 18, you have the Haven area, which is of course a special area you need access to. And then over here is the Haven restaurant. This is exclusive for people that are staying in the Haven. Looks like they have a nice outdoor sitting area there. Also a Horizon Lounge, which is for Haven only. This is where the jogging track is. Hot tubs up here. Seating. This is the American Diner. This is extra, you have to pay for this. It's a la carte. This is La Bistro. This is Spice H2O, the adult area. There's no pool back here, but one of the pools says adult pool in the main area. So there's a bar back here. Some hot tubs, regular lounge chairs, nothing special. Now one issue back here, I smell it now, is you can really smell the ship exhaust when we're sailing. It's up there and coming down and really stinks. Not too pleasant back here actually. Maybe on a port day when the ship's not going, it might be okay. This is the entrance to the Ocean Loop slide. You gotta walk all the way up here. You get dropped from there. See, the slide has a bunch of cutouts so you can see when you're going down the slide. Garden Cafe. So they have sinks here to wash your hands. This is what the buffet looks like. It's not crowded right now. It's very early at breakfast time, but they have some stations over here. Morning. There's some other stations back here. A lot of seating, but it does get crowded. There's seating down here. Then there was seating outside by the pool as well. This is the kids' aqua park. And the main pool area. We have a pool over here. The Waves Bar. Here you have another water slide. Up here. A lot of seating out here. Big screen TV. They do show movies sometimes. Have chairs out here. They showed the NFL football on Thursday night. This pool here has signs that say adults only pool. So I don't know how well they enforce that or not, but it does say adult only pool because it's not in the adults only area. It's on the regular pool deck. Over here is the surf bar. So the earlier footage was what the pool deck looks like early morning before anybody was really out there. This footage shows what the pool deck looks like during the day. I believe this was a sea day. They did have live music playing. Marketplace. I believe sometimes they may put stuff here for sale. Deck 16, you have the Mandarin Spa and Salon and the fitness center.
Yeah, I noticed I used to be able to do pretty good, and also now
got a lot of treadmills. Some machines. It's mostly treadmills, some ellipticals. I got a spin classroom. Weights, bells, kettlebells or balls. I got an aerobic room. Spa. Yeah, nice area. Deck 15. The observation lounge. Nice quiet area, lots of seating. They have food in here, a small selection during breakfast, I think maybe at lunch. There is a bar in here. And then you do the same thing down the other side as well. It's a really big space. The rest of deck 15 are just staterooms. Deck 14, 13, and 12 are staterooms. Deck 13 also has the medical center. Deck 11 has staterooms and the studio lounge, which is for solo travelers. Deck 10 and Deck 9 are staterooms only. This is a district brew house. This is Food Republic. This is La Cucina. This is the Cellars, Michael Mondavi Family Wine Bar. I may need to put my own music over or talk because of the music that's playing. This is the Cavern. Malting's Whiskey Bar. Back here behind Matling's Bar, you have the Humidor Cigar Lounge. This looks like you get in from the outside. This is the waterfront area. I'll show you this more when it's light out. This is the cigar lounge. This is Sugarcane Mojito Bar. In the center here, you can look down. Over here is the obligatory watch shop, as well as other boutique items, purses, sunglasses, perfume in the shops here. Over on this side, you have Ocean Blue. It's one of the fancier restaurants. I believe there's a slight dress code for this restaurant. Possibly no shorts. And down here they have some counters selling some items. I think they do some of the discount stuff down here. Over here is the photo area. Here's where you can purchase bottles of alcohol, cigarettes. So this whole area is the shopping area. Over here is beauty shop, Time Zone, jewel box, and more watches, jewelry, perfume, sandbar, some items for sale, clothing, souvenirs, Lobos and Cagney Steakhouse. And you'll see over here, they'll show you dining availability for the restaurants. A-list bar straight ahead. We got Los Lobos to the left here. We have Cagney Steakhouse over here. This is the waterfront area. So it's like a walking area, and then they have the outside tables for the restaurants, specialty restaurants. It's on both sides. So this is the Sugar Cane Mojito Bar, has a bar outside. And there's more sitting area here. And you're at the back of deck 8, and this goes around. And you do have these little windows down here you could step on, but it's not over the water, it's actually over the fantail. Still kind of cool, but better if it went over the water. So this is the waterfront on the starboard side. Pretty much the same as the port side. Outside seating for the different restaurants. And then there's open seating, not near a restaurant that you can sit at. Some tables for Dolce Gelato and the bake shop. It's not open right now. And you can see the slide up there that goes over the water. Deck 7, you have the box office. That's where you need to go to get tickets, show events, and so forth. If you need to change something, since you can't do that on the app. If you need to change laser tag or go-karts, you can't do that on the app. You can only reserve some things, you can't change things. This is the theater. Show you that when it's open. This is the local bar and grill. There's also an entrance on the other side. I'll show you from there. They have bowling here. Got to pay for. Some games of chance. This, I believe, is the 24-hour eatery. Nobody in here right now. So this is the other local bar and grill. Yeah. There's also seating here, like bar seating to eat around this opening. And we're coming into the casino area, which is kind of broken up a little bit. So you have all the slot machines, table games. So it's kind of like a casino in like part of the hallway walking through. Skyline bar in here, big TV. Looks like they have a little Cano breakfast buffet set up back there as well. Manhattan room is the fancy main dining room. Then you have Texas Smokehouse, Q Texas Smokehouse. Looks like they might do some shows in here. And in here, you have the card room library. A little card room, 5 tables. Books, there's certain times that you can come in here and check out books. Do some games, backgammon, chess, checkers, Scrabble, Trivial Pursuit. Here we have Mix Bar. And then you have the 2 main dining rooms. 2 of the 3 Manhattan rooms. The 3rd, you have Savor. I think these are all the same menu. Just different setting, breaking it up. On the other side, you have Taste. And you have the art gallery. So here you have Tapanaki, the Japanese restaurant. Here's some video of Tapanaki when we did the painting craft. Here you have Coco's. You can buy crepes, chocolate treats. Here's the Social Comedy Club. This is where the comedy is. Looks like they have the art auction in here. So it's all removable seating in there. It wasn't that comfortable. This is the Atrium area. This is where they do a lot of the trivia, game shows, Deal or No Deal. And back there is the photo studio. There's the internet cafe. There's some computers, and I guess just sit around. Talk to the internet manager if you need to. And there's a bar here. Atrium bar. There's a Starbucks. Then you have the cruise next desk. Guest services. Onboard credit, shore excursions. Deck 5 is where the teen and kids clubs are. There's guppies. And then come up on Splash Academy. The video arcade here. This is Entourage, the teen lounge. That's a ship tour of the NCL Bliss. Remember, like, share, subscribe, comment down below.